We are going to take a look at a Midwest Automation 5033 countertop saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Midwest Automation 5033 countertop saw is equipped with a 5 horsepower belt-driven saw motor, a 16-inch diameter blade with a 1-inch diameter arbor. It integrates cutting off and/or mitering self-edged tops, post-formed cove tops, or solid surface countertops, making both a miter cut and draw bolt mortises in one simple cycle. There are 4 1.5 horsepower high-speed router motors for routing the draw bolt mortises, while the carriage has a 1/2 horsepower variable speed DC traverse feed motor for forward and reverse. The upper machine structure rotates to the left and right to 5 fixed stops at miter positions 90, 45 right and left, 22.5 degrees right and left. This saw has a 5 5/8 inch depth of cut with build down, 4 7/8 inch without build down, 3/4 inch maximum build down thickness. There are also 4 pneumatic hold downs, an overhead laser guide, a pair of 10-foot infeed and outfeed tables, and a set of manuals. You have a 42-inch crosscut capacity at 90 degrees, 38 inches at 22.5 degrees, and 39 inches at 45 degrees.